Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, VShara. If you're new here, I'm VShara. Nice to meet you. And I'm a 7th grade reading teacher from Central Florida. So in today's video, I made this cute little Grinch shirt. Today was Character Day at school, and I love the Grinch movie, and I'm just like, why not make a Grinch shirt? I did purchase this SVG from Etsy. However, I can totally make these fonts and go and snag this image from Google and put it all together, but to save me time, I just bought my SVG from Etsy. So if you just got your Cricut or you just want to make something because you don't know where to start, I would suggest you go to Etsy and get your SVGs from there, or try to find free SVGs just to practice with before you try to kind of make your own, because I know sometimes making your own can get overwhelming, and well, it got overwhelming for me. So that's when I found out, I'm like, Etsy has SVGs, why not purchase a little 50-cent SVG and practice with that? So in today's video, I'm just going to show you how I bought this and then how I layered it and put it on this shirt. So if you need help with layering, this video is for you. The first thing I'm going to do is open up my Safari. Then I'm going to search Etsy. That is the website where I get my SVGs from. There are free websites that have SVGs, but I just go to Etsy. I just scroll until I find the perfect one. And then once I find my perfect one, I go ahead and pay for it.
And I need you around, darling. So come home.
They'll give you the option for PNGs or SVGs. I just choose SVG. I think it says that I chose PNG, but I chose SVG.
'Cause you left something for me.
Once I upload my image, I go ahead and change the sizing. I may change some of the colors to make them my own.
And let me hold you real tight, 'cause it's Christmas time.
This next step is totally optional, but I do this because it saves me a lot of time. I go ahead and weld all of my colors that are alike together. So I'm going to weld together the word my day, the times, and the parentheses. I'm going to go ahead and weld those black colors together, and then I'm going to go ahead and weld all the green words together, so that way they can print all on one sheet, and you'll see right here. So my day, the times, and the parentheses will all print in the same spacing as you saw in the last clip. That is why I go ahead and weld those together. I'm not sure if you knew that you could move your objects to different mats, but that's what I'm going to do right here. Also, I didn't realize that the image had 2 different reds, so I'm just moving the red words and objects on the same red mat because I don't have 2 different reds for mine. The image just came with 2 different reds. This image also had 2 different greens, didn't realize that, so I just put them all on the same mat as well.
It's Christmas time.
If you don't have a cutting board, I would suggest you get a cutting board. I used to use scissors, but this just makes life so much easier.
I try to figure this out.
After I finish cutting all of my images, I go ahead and lay them down on my sheet, or my mat, sorry, and then I let the Cricut go to work. Just go ahead and weed my image right on the mat. Sometimes weeding can be so soothing.
I try to figure this out, but I never could. So, oh, baby, come
However, weeding all these words were not soothing.
tight, 'cause it's Christmas.
So I make sure I go ahead and iron out my shirt before I press my image down.
You better.
I know some people use parchment paper, but I just use an old pillowcase to lay over my vinyl. It seems to work for me and nothing has ever burned. I like it. If you see the black outline of the Santa hat, I did mess up. The Cricut paper wasn't far up enough, and so when it cut, it did not cut all the way, but you cannot tell that. You probably didn't even notice until I told you. When dealing with glitter, sometimes I like to go ahead and heat it up without the pillowcase on it, just for a couple seconds. I've seen people say that you can't stick HTV on top of glitter HTV, but it seems to work out fine every time I do it. And here is the final product.
Christmas time is pulling me closer to your heart.
Alright, y'all, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please drop your comments below. If you need help with anything, email me. I will help you. If you want me to make a specific item or a specific type of shirt, let me know so I can help you and all that good stuff. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.